We're doing hive inspections here on Father's Day weekend, 2313. It's June 16th, I think. And this is Alyssa's hive. I apologize because I can't see anything through this veil, so hopefully the video will be good. That's telescoping cover removal.
Didn't ask for a picture.
Here, let me show you.
I know.
If you hold down on it, wait till it beeps, that focuses it, and then let go. Okay? Go ahead, Liz. A little extra smoke, a little in Lissa's face. So that should be.
Yeah, fine.
Hoping Lissa becomes more docile and not aggressive.
Yeah, Lissa's very aggressive today. Alright, so we're going to take the inner cover off.
Careful, Les.
Alright, frame hangers. One. And
Put that in the bucket.
Oh.
Put it in the bucket.
it's up to you. Wherever you want to stand to be comfortable.
What's the probably don't want to stand there when you lean against the bees.
Move Charlie. No.
It does look like we've got a lot of drawn comb as we get stuff. You should be able to pick it up now. So last one, it's fairly empty. They've started a little bit up on top to draw it out. Alright, still nothing on this side. That's fine. Go ahead and put it on the frame hanger.
Yeah, there's honey on this.
No, they don't.
At least eggs.
There's no eggs, babes.
Then where do I see shiny stuff on them?
Because they're
That's the
preparing
sun.
this site. Okay.
Okay, Miss B, you don't want to be in there. I just saw a
They're
big
starting to draw a little bit more comb again up on the top. And there's a lot more drawn comb on this side.
Rotate that up this way, Lissa. No, rotate it so I can see the other side. Thank you.
Should we need to smoke it again?
No.
If you want to smoke it, we can smoke it. What would you like?
Miss, you don't have to look confused. We'll just keep going.
Okay.
Missy, you don't have to lick my finger.
It's okay. She's licking you. Okay, pull it
Do
out.
you want to smoke your hands?
No. Ooh la la.
Tilt that edge for Danny.
And right in the middle, they're starting to lump up a little there. Nicely.
Honey.
No.
That's starting to fill.
We're
something.
starting to put stuff in there.
That's a lot of bees there. You want to check that pod?
There's no queen. They all got their head into the nectar.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yep. Okay. Careful when you're leaning across. I know the hive's getting a little tall for you, babes. So we're going to have to make you a platform or something.
Oh, there's a nice nectar hive. A nectar set there.
It's fine. We'll go back and put on supers later. Lisa, can you tilt it up towards the sun a little bit? Just tilt it. There, I'm just seeing pollen and stuff.
Pollen, and I think oh, maybe not.
Maybe nectar,
Maybe a little, yeah.
but I don't see any
Starting to form out
See
the
any queen? Yep.
cells nicely there, though.
I also don't see any eggs.
I don't know if you can
But
see
it's
that.
much harder because it's white frame. Right?
Wait. There's a bee right there that has yellow legs.
Yep, so they're going to put pollen in. Okay, go ahead. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just like this one.
Are you getting hot?
I am.
Okay, it looks like we might have capped honey once Alyssa pulls this one out. If this gets too heavy, I can do it for you.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and set it down.
Oh,
in
yeah.
this box.
Is that good if they have capped honey?
That's very good. That's what we want.
And I'm hoping this is honey and not
Brood.
brood.
Why?
That looks a little broody. That does look like brood, doesn't it?
Yeah, just a tad. Go ahead and take good photos of
that-
it. That's a drone. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask the question. Let's see how many.
You almost had them, bud.
It very well could be honey, I just don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't look white enough for the honey. You know what I'm saying? And they
Yeah.
tend to coat straight across on the honey, not leave single cells open, you know?
Yeah.
See the individual cells that are open as you go through in here?
But what I'm not seeing though, Tim, I'm
Yeah.
not seeing a pollen circle.
Yeah, they don't have their pollen ring, and
They don't have a
it's
pollen
it's
ring.
square too. It's not
Oh.
in the right shape for the.
Can
Yeah.
you move your hand, please?
She was picking up a drone. Okay. So I'm going to put this back down.
Can I take off the inner cover?
We'll take off this super and look at the under stuff and see what's going on.
Hey, Miss
Don't
B,
worry
you
about it.
can't be on my mouth.
That's fine.
Aren't those heavy?
Yeah, to me that looks a lot more like brood.
I'm not seeing the pollen caps.
No.
And I don't see a queen. It's a drone. Grab him by the wings. There you go.
You got him, bud. Oop.
And I just
You
dropped
dropped him.
Yay!
Oh.
I've got one.
Alyssa hung on to hers, huh?
There, you want mine?
This
There,
very
send
well
it.
could be
You got
honey.
Did you get him back?
Because there's no pollen surrounding the brood for food. I don't think this is brood.
We could find out.
It is brood.
Wow.
You see somebody coming out?
No, I see a whole lot of babies.
Where's the babies?
They are over here.
He's still sugaring to me.
So these are all
I
larvae.
still have them.
And the larvae,
Yep, you do. All right, set them back in.
Darn it, is that bad?
no, it's not bad at all. When they hatch out of here, then they'll fill it full of honey.
Can I try grabbing a worker?
No.
Workers could sting you, bud.
Theron, don't try to grab the workers, please. Let's try and get through this hive inspection. Now, that's looking better, on this side at least.
Now this is a lot more honey,
Can I take,
nectar.
Yeah, it looks like they're filling this one with nectar better. Propolis, or I mean,
I've got it.
Burcomb
Darren.
down there.
Darren, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, there's
Theron,
Burcomb.
watch out.
Darren, I got it.
Theron?
This one's grabbing in case it falls out the side.
It's fine. Just don't want wax on your fingers when you're tapping the camera, okay? What? Are they touching you?
Palm of my hand.
They're touching you! They're touching you!
No.
Are you gonna make it or what?
I'm fine now.
Okay.
They
stopped touching you?
Any drones?
No.
Alright, we're
Alright.
done picking up drones for now. We're just checking stuff. We need to check and move on to... You're squishing a bee on your right hand there.
It's dead. Don't worry. It is dead. It's done.
Hold up. Oh no, that looks on there well enough.
Fortunately, they have little markers where they put them. So I can align these back up to the propolis.
Yeah.
So the queen has been up here, but I didn't see any eggs.
Capped is how many days ago?
21.
Capped is 21?
It's 3 stages of 21. So
Okay.
first from...
They'll hatch at 21,
Yeah.
but when it's capped, you're got what, a few days left till hatch, or
Yes.
so the cap's at.
Bees or a bee.
This super hasn't been on there for
I
18 days.
I didn't think it had been, so...
Super's been on there for about 2 weeks now. Ah, that'd be close. That's 14 days to 21. Those are probably freshly capped.
Okay, so we're going to go to the next hive body.
Can I try at least picking up the two?
You want to try to pick up the super?
No, she wants to pick up the 2 outers on the next one down, where
Oh,
she can
yeah.
actually reach them better.
Careful. Oh, I'm trying to get them unstuck.
Once you got the one side, you should be good.
There, you're not doing this.
Put the one button.
Flex.
What?
Back up.
Which way is the...
You didn't
There.
twist when you set that super down, did you?
Did I what?
You set it straight off so it's facing the same direction, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do the other one?
Okay. Switch it. Get up, please.
You want to scrape some bird comb there?
Yeah. Here, listen.
Melissa, hold up a sec.
Listen. Sides loose.
These are long.
Alright, they're starting to do something. Not a whole lot. You okay?
Here, can you set that whole thing in there? Just set the whole thing in.
Even though there's nothing on here.
So nothing on
Then hand mommy the yellow one. They're starting to build out.
a little.
Yeah. At least they're on there doing something.
Okay, Miss.
There, Miss B.
See, now they're building an upside down. So that's,
Bad.
see the upside down pattern?
Bad.
That's where they're building up into it, and so the top is part of the upper ball.
So
It's not
that
bad.
means taking up
It's just they're filling their space.
the wrong way.
Hey, Theron, can you grab that drone that's in there?
What?
No,
Is that the
it's
queen?
fine. We're not driving. What?
Is that the queen?
No.
it's-
No, that's just a drone.
Stop.
Do you want? Are you okay?
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
The drone's on my
You
thing.
gotta leave your. Okay, there. Are you done or what?
You okay?
Is there something wrong?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Hi, buddy. Put them on my thing.
Are you just getting hot, Lissa? Is that?
Yeah, I'm getting really hot.
This guy likes me.
right?
Can you stick our finger
There's
in
some
there?
brood.
No, there's not capped honey there, Lisa.
That's brood, babes.
That's honey.
No, that's brood.
No, that's brood, babes.
The very top of that other frame that's in there has got a little capped honey on it.
Yay.
So we want more brood.
Listen.
Lissa.
All right, Lissa, stop,
Lissa,
please.
we just need to look at this. So on one larvae, I don't see any new eggs.
Quit moving.
Can I try?
No new eggs.
Hold on.
Did we see new eggs in the other one? In the super?
No.
Can I hold you?
Give yourself some more room there.
Who?
You. Slide that last frame back. There you go. All right, enough pictures. Put the drone down.
Woo! Yay, capped honey.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, wait.
Nope, more brood.
More brood.
More brood and a lot more larvae.
A lot more burr comb on the bottom of the scrape too.
With a couple drone cells left.
Listen, yeah, it's got cells on there. Just leave it alone.
Only that one
Queen
does.
cell?
I don't see any queen cups really.
Are those honey?
Drone comb.
Nope, all cap brood. Listen.
Wonder what cat brood tastes like.
So all
Tastes
this
like eating a bee. What do you think it tastes like?
is capped brood.
Wait, down there, is that a queen cell?
No, it's brood. It's a drone cell. Touching me again.
I'm touching you. I'm licking you.
I want to lick your thumb. I want to lick your face.
They're licking me.
That's what they do to me.
Hey, there's one on your... No, 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 no. There was one on your thing. There's one on your net that you just shoved up your... It's right here.
Just sit still. It's fine. Let
And
go.
it's a drone, I think.
Okay.
No. Are you gonna make it or what?
If I don't think about it, I'll be fine.
Just get her off there.
There we
There you
go.
go.
See? I just need to get...
Get on your face.
They're fine. They're just smelling the propolis on my fingers.
Now the one on your veil.
Yeah.
That's just a drone, don't worry.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not. Unless that's
Oh,
a
maybe it
worker.
is.
Honey?
Nope.
Nope.
No, more larvae though.
Your hive
A
broods
few
out very
eggs.
well, Lisa.
What?
A
Your
few
hive-
eggs. I see a lot of eggs here actually. There's
Honey.
looking for the queen.
Then let me see the king.
What baby?
Hold up a sec.
I'm touching you.
Lissa.
Honey?
No. Eggs though.
Dang, what did I say about just clicking it? Doesn't focus it.
Should I get the one that's on your net?
No? He's fine on my net.
As long as he's not licking mommy's fingers.
It's the licking my
Smoke your
fingers.
hands. Smoke your face too. Ready to close up?
Nope, we're doing good.
You got one right on it there. There you go.
Sorry, Miss B.
Why is that going off right now?
What is by my head?
Nothing.
There's a bee on your hat.
Is it on the hat or is it on
Yeah,
the
it's
inside of
There's
the
one
hat?
on the top of the hat. There's two actually on top of your hat, and then one
They're
Darren just
not
picked up as a
staring.
drone.
There.
The one's off your hat.
Thank you, sir.
We have technically seen what we need to see.
And it was a worker that I picked up. I actually picked up
True.
a worker. I picked up a worker.
Yes, there, and you picked up a worker.
Catbird.
Lisa?
No.
That's all drone cone.
Honey?
Drone cone. I do see little eggs in here.
They're all laying
There's
up in
larvae
a row.
on the other side, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna pick up another worker. Holy.
I see.
Oh, you see?
Alright, I see a lot of eggs. We're going to close up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, bees licking you.
Yeah.
Can I leave?
You don't want to close up your hive?
No, it's okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
This is your hive, Alyssa. You should help Mommy close it up.
There's nothing I can do to help.
Moral support.
Should I take this?
It's fine.
Your legs out of there. Okay, Alyssa, do you want to close it up?
Oh, sure.
Closing it up. It's already pushed.
There.
Alright. I'm going to try to pick up the honey super. Hey, Theron, could you go grab the other supers off the deck? Especially for Theron's hive.
I think hers needs it too if
I
they're
don't-
that built out.
I didn't think hers was built out that much, although it's got a lot of brood. Are you okay?
If it's too heavy, you can say so, babe.
Other way.
You've got a lot on this side here.
What we're going to do is we're just going to drop them by the front of the hive.
Whoa! Hi, this is one of them. Here you go. There.
It's going on yours. Just walk over there and be patient.
Alright.
And there's Alyssa's hive.